Hey, ladies and gentlemen, Dominoes 7 here. I'd like to welcome y'all to my Facebook live stream. Okay? Well, they got almost everything set up for Mardi Gras. All right, except right here, there's an opening right here. You know, at first honestly, it's supposed to be having this complex fenced off so the parade goers don't come back here. You know, yeah, because right here is a private residence. You know, okay, and they got the NOPD gates. You know, right there, gates are whatever you call that stuff. You know. For the parade goers, you know. So unfortunately for me, I'm not going to any parades this year. I want to go to the St. Patrick's Day parade and the Irish Italian parade, but unfortunately it's COVID concerns, you know. Well, I'm doing this Facebook Live here on Facebook, you know. So this person could watch this video and stuff like that. You know, they're going to bus. Okay. So as I was saying, y'all. All right. They're going to bus, y'all. All right. All right. So as I was saying, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not going to in the parades today, you know, because COVID is out here, you know, the coronavirus and stuff like that. And some idiot saying COVID ain't out here and stuff like that. But my word of advice to him is this: the coronavirus is out here, you idiot. Okay, you don't take it serious, you're gonna catch it. Are you vaccinated? Probably not. You know, probably not. He getting mad at me and say there's going to be a Mardi Gras. Talking about insulting his favorite holiday. He feels some type of way. I would say F his feelings, you know. I say it to his face if I could. I would say F his feelings, you know. I don't care about that dude's feelings, honestly, y'all. Okay? But the coronavirus is out here. People dying from corona, you know. I had a friend that died from that, you know. So like I said, y'all, take this coronavirus seriously, ladies and gentlemen. You know. So like I tell y'all, take this coronavirus very serious because it's out here. You understand? How you doing? All right. So like I said, ladies and gentlemen, that the coronavirus is out here. You know. So if you don't take it serious, that's on you. When you catch it, when you catch it, that's on you. But let me tell y'all something. If y'all watch my past previous videos, y'all know that I'm boosted and stuff like that. I took 2 of my vaccines, and a couple of weeks ago, I took my booster shot. Okay, I had no choice, ladies and gentlemen. I'm on social media, you know. That's why I took the vaccine. That's why I'm vaccinated, and that's why I'm boosted, you know. But it's up to y'all if y'all don't want to take that vaccine, you know. Well, yes, yeah, you can still catch it, but not be severely, you know. But my word is this, y'all. That'll prevent you probably for spreading it, you know. Look at all this, you know. Yep. But I'm not gonna be out here tomorrow. I'm gonna be home. Okay. I'm gonna sit on my porch playing my radio. Okay. I'm gonna sit on my balcony playing my radio. You know. So everything's set for Mardi Gras, except something like this, you know. But I hope them parade goers don't come back here and try to park their cars back here and stuff like that. Or they'll probably get towed, you know. Yep, so last year I walked around here. The neutral grounds was fenced up, you know. And you know, what I don't get is this. I wonder why they didn't put a stage right there, you know, right here. Oh well, eventually they're gonna put a stage up here, you know, every year, you know. They normally put the stage in advance right here, you know. They gonna have performances and stuff, you know, at this bus stop right here, okay. So ain't no buses gonna get through this, okay. Ain't no buses gonna get through here, you know. But unfortunately for me, I'm not going to any parades this year, okay? If y'all can hear me though, I'm not going to any parades this year, you know? I'm gonna be staying home, I'm gonna cook me some tacos, and I'm gonna make me some Kool-Aid, okay? So, I'm staying home, okay? I ain't going to no parades this year, unfortunately for me. Lizard. Well, that lizard, I accidentally cut the tail off. I thought that the lizard was dead. Are y'all scared of lizards? I wonder how many times lizards appear in my videos. Who knows? Okay, I know animals appear in my videos: squirrels, pigeons, cats, dogs, you name it. Okay, some animals. Not all animals, you know. Okay. Sometimes reptiles, you know. Okay. So, happy Mardi Gras, everybody. Okay. Be careful out there. And for that idiot to get all mad over something stupid, you're a loser. I saw him at his job though. But I'm not gonna say where he work at, you know. I'm not gonna tell y'all where you work at, you know. And plus, I'm not gonna tell y'all. And plus, I'm not gonna tell y'all. And plus, I'm not gonna tell y'all what the name of the company you work at, or work for, you know. So as I was saying, y'all, the coronavirus is out here, y'all. That's all I'm saying is be careful, okay? Please be careful, ladies and gentlemen, okay? This coronavirus is so serious, very, very serious, okay? Very serious, ladies and gentlemen, okay? So, that's all I'm saying. Be careful out there, okay? Because you don't know who have that corona, you know? I don't even know who have it, you know? I don't have it. I'm good, you know? So, that's all I'm saying, y'all. Be careful out here. Going to these parades, you know. I know that a lot of people at the Endymion parade. There some at the parades last night. And they're going to have some parades tonight, you know. So all I'm saying, y'all, be careful, yeah. Yeah. Look, I'm looking at some people. Probably white supremacists. I'm not gonna speak to them. Sheesh. I don't like people like that. So as I was saying, because they have an American flag up there, but that don't mean nothing, you know. You know, if they're a Confederate flag, then of course I know. So all right then. That's all I got to say, y'all. Talk to y'all later, all right? Bye.